What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of my top insider secrets, and that is how to get your eyeliner looking absolutely perfect. What if I told you it's not gel liner, it's not liquid liner, it's not pencil liner, but it's adhesive stick-on eyeliner? That's right, you heard me. This is a sticker, and I have never gotten as many compliments as I do on how pristine and perfect my eyeliner looks than I have with wearing these adhesive eyeliner stickers. This is a really good quality eye stickers. They make so many on the market, but I will link this specific brand below. No, not sponsored whatsoever. I just tried, trued, and tested. These will last like 12 hours a night. They're absolutely so incredible. I have a few different types to show you guys, just your basic black to some fun glittery colors and even a cat eye one. So without further ado, you guys, if you are ready to end your relationship with stupid gel and liquid eyeliner forever, then this video is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with our typical black eyeliner. This is what they look like, just super cute little stickers. You just pull off the tab on the back here. These can be worn on top of makeup. They're so incredible. I peeled off the backing and now I am all set to go. I'm just gonna take these little tweezers here to apply them to my eye. I'm gonna line it up perfectly. And just like that, I like to get it as close to my lash line as possible, and it's not budging, it's not going anywhere. I have it like this for the rest of the night. So let's go ahead with the other side. Okay, that took all of 2 seconds to put on. I freaking love it. I think it looks absolutely great. Love the fact that I can just throw these on and they are stuck on all night. It's a really strong adhesive. It goes really good on top of eyeshadow, everything like that. So I highly recommend these. Okay, so these are some really fun ones and I can't wait to try these on. I also have a suggestion for you guys. I know that some of you are probably wondering, well, if you're wearing these sticker eyeliners, then how are you gonna put falsies on top? And my solution for that is simply, have you heard of the Kiss glueless eyelashes? These are the clusters that simply go underneath your eyes. It's what I'm wearing right now. So they go underneath your eyelashes. You simply just press them on, they stick on, and then you can put the adhesive eyeliner on top with no problems whatsoever. Just thought I would throw that in there. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna just peel it off. It says that they are reusable stickers. I've never reused them before. I've just like worn one throughout the night for like 6 to 8 to 12 hours and they've stuck on. I haven't tried reusing them, but let me know in the comments below if you guys have reused these over and over. I've just used one a night and just bought more and more. So here is the cat eye look. I would never have been able to master this with eyeliner by myself, that's for sure. So I love that you can just get this in a sticker format and everyone simply thinks that you have mastered your eyeliner. It's so cool. I'm also super obsessed with glitter and I love this look. This has the black and the glitter on top. It just goes for like a nice dual look. It really looks incredible and looks like you spent so much time on your eyeliner. So I love these stickers. The fact that I just got these in like 2 seconds, like if you're rushing out the door, these are absolutely incredible and they are sweat-proof, waterproof, so you can dance the night away. Don't worry about these budging. Here is another glitter pair. This is the gold pair that I have. And again, I just love that for any event that you go to, there is an eyeliner sticker that will match your outfit and they just look so flawless. Like you spent so much time doing your eyeliner. You cannot go wrong with these. And that's it for my video today, you guys. I hope that you absolutely love these eyeliner stickers just as much as I do. Again, they are sweat-proof, waterproof. They last like up to 12 hours. They're so incredible. I highly recommend you guys run out and go grab a pack. I will link them in the description below. I hope this saves you tons of time on your eyeliner, and now you can just have the ease of using these stickers, enjoying your night and not worrying about your eyeliner budging or anything like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.